Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Honing is the last step in metal tube fabrication before tubes are sent to manufacturers. Ensuring the tubes have the precise size and surface finish required by the manufacturer's application to function at optimal efficiency is Buckeye Hone Company. Making its home in Mercer, Pennsylvania, Buckeye Hone Company is a precision honing facility. For close to 40 years, the ISO-registered company has offered the literal finishing touch on metal tubes so that they can go straight into production, straight off the line. Buckeye Hone boasts over 100,000 square feet of production space. Here, the Buckeye team will saw, precision hone, and plateau hone to customers' exact specifications. The company works with steel, alloy, stainless, aluminum, and brass. Interior diameter capabilities range from 3/4 of an inch up to 19 inches. Standard tolerances are between 1 and 5 thousandths of an inch. The company can accommodate lengths up to 104 feet with a maximum straight through of 52 feet. Buckeye Hone understands that time is money. That's why customers know their orders will be done right the first time and done fast. Buckeye Hone ships anywhere via truck, boat, or plane. Plus, with its location halfway between New York and Chicago, as well as halfway between Pittsburgh and Erie, Pennsylvania, the company is positioned to serve Midwest manufacturing customers at lightning speed. For precision honing that's second to none, visit buckeyehone.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.